Hello everyone. Chamomile tea benefits for health. Chamomile tea is a popular relaxing tea and it has been used as traditional medicine to calm anxiety and settle stomachs. It has a mild sedative effect. Most often, it is the main ingredient in relaxing teas. It also offers a variety of health benefits which are backed by science. Chamomile is a herb with daisy-like flowers. To make chamomile tea, the flowers are dried and then infused into hot water. Many people enjoy chamomile tea as a caffeine-free alternative to black or green tea and for its earthy, somewhat sweet taste. Furthermore, chamomile tea is loaded with antioxidants that may play a role in lowering your risk of several diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. So far, research into the potency of chamomile tea has shown promise. For most people, chamomile tea is safe to try as a supplement to other treatments. This video is about potential health benefits of drinking chamomile tea, which are backed by scientific studies. Number 1. Improves sleep quality and insomnia. Chamomile has some unique properties that may benefit the quality of your sleep. It contains epigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in your brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia or the chronic inability to sleep. In one study, drinking chamomile tea for 2 weeks reported better sleep quality compared to a group that did not drink chamomile tea. It also improved symptoms of depression, which is often linked with sleeping problems. Another study found that people who consumed 270 mg of chamomile extract twice daily for 28 days had less nighttime awakening and fell asleep 15 minutes faster than those who did not consume the extract. Drinking chamomile tea before bed is certainly worth a try if you have trouble falling or staying asleep. Number 2. Chamomile promotes digestive health. Proper digestion is extremely important for your overall health. Limited evidence suggests chamomile may be effective for promoting better digestion by reducing the risk of certain gastrointestinal conditions. A few studies have found that chamomile extract has the potential to protect against diarrhea. This is attributed to its anti-inflammatory properties. Another study found chamomile to be helpful in preventing stomach ulcers, as it may reduce acidity in the stomach and inhibit the growth of bacteria that contribute to ulcer development. There are many anecdotal claims that drinking chamomile tea is soothing to the stomach. Traditionally, it has been used to treat several digestive ailments, including nausea, vomiting, heartburn, and gas. Number 3. Chamomile may protect against certain types of cancer. The antioxidants found in chamomile tea have been linked with the lower incidence of certain types of cancer. Chamomile contains the antioxidant epigenin. In lab studies, epigenin has been shown to fight cancer cells, especially those of the breast, digestive tract, skin, prostate, and uterus. Additionally, one study of 537 people observed that those who drank chamomile tea 2 to 6 times per week were significantly less likely to develop thyroid cancer than those who did not drink chamomile tea. These findings are promising, but more high-quality human research is necessary to make a conclusion regarding chamomile tea's role in cancer prevention. Number 4. May benefit blood sugar control. Drinking chamomile tea may aid in lowering blood sugar levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties may prevent damage to the cells of your pancreas, which occurs when your blood sugar levels are elevated. The health of your pancreas is extremely important to produce insulin, the hormone responsible for removing sugar from your blood. One study shows that diabetic people who consumed chamomile tea daily with meals for 8 weeks had significantly lower average blood sugar levels. Several studies suggest that chamomile tea may lower fasting blood sugar levels by a considerable amount, and it may also be beneficial for preventing blood sugar spikes after eating. In summary, the anti-inflammatory effects of chamomile tea promote blood sugar control, especially when it consumed with a meal. Number 5. May improve heart health. Chamomile tea is abundant in flavonoids, a class of antioxidants. Flavonoids have been studied for their potential to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are important markers of your heart disease risk. One study of 64 diabetic patients found that those who drank chamomile tea with meals had noteworthy improvements in their total cholesterol, triglycerides, and bad LDL cholesterol levels. Number 6. Chamomile reduces menstrual pain and cramps. Several studies have linked chamomile tea to reduced severity of menstrual cramps. In a study, it was found that consuming chamomile tea for a month could reduce the pain of menstrual cramps. Women in this study also reported less anxiety and distress associated with period pain. Number 7. Chamomile tea is anti-inflammatory. It may help in conditions related to inflammation. It boosts the immune health. It can prevent and treat common cold and sore throat. It relieves anxiety and depression if taken as supplement. It improves skin health and is used in cosmetic products such as lotions, eye creams, and soaps. May be moisturizing and helpful for reducing skin inflammation. That is it guys for today's video. Give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance. Please don't forget to check my other videos.